So these are the different types of LED patterns that you get with it. So this is the gaming mode where only the arrow keys and the WSAD light up. I'm just quickly running through all the patterns that we get. Well, this is the per key RGB, which looks very nice. Now, if you want to check the battery percentage of this keyboard, this doesn't offer you a screen or any other thing to check the percentage, but when you click on the function button and B, you can see the battery percentage. When it is full, it shows still here. Till the 0, you can see the green light. As and when it reduces, it will go down, and once it comes to the red zone, it means you need to charge the keyboard. This looks pretty premium. The feel, the quality, to be honest, it's very premium. The tactile feedback is good. Well, as I have showed you already, the RGB patterns as well, if you can see. And most interesting thing is that these are side engraved keycaps. So as and when you use it, you will see the keycaps lighting up, and these have push through lighting setup in the keycaps. So you get the lighting from the keycaps and it passes through the letters, which looks very nice. Well, I will have an extensive use of this keyboard, and I will make another video with the complete review of this keyboard. Still then, stay tuned. In the next shot, I'm going to show you the app support and what all you can do with this keyboard. Well, now I have set up the app. This is how the app looks, and I'll show you the features that we get through the app, what all we can do. So whatever are highlighted buttons, these we can reprogram as we want. This is one feature that we get in this. We can create multiple profiles over here. So we have the settings over here, the device info, the language that we want, or any kind of startup that you want to do, what you want to do with the different functions, tap, sleep, debounce, reset. So all these features you can explore. Now this is the keyboard layout, and this is what we get in this app. And the next section, when we see, we get the different type of light effects which can change and we can set up as we want. So these are the different lighting setups that we get. Now I have played music in the background. Now if you see, the keyboard is lighting up as per the music and as per the type of light effect that we are selecting. Now I'm changing it, and you can